Apfel Dr. Germany, my name is Ben. Hello and welcome to the Microsoring Show. Behind me you see Andy Motherfucker and the two Wenger boys. If you are MILF and want to date them, just write a message to Instagram and search for Keidel, Keidel 91, then you find his profile and you can write him for a date if you are MILF. Okay, so now let's start with the next repair. We got an iPhone 8 here, which was mailed in because it was laying at next beside to the bed for charging, and the customer wakes in the morning and then he just screamed, "Ah! My phone isn't working anymore."
Or like, "Oh, my ears are not
Yeah. And then he was going to the next market for electronics, and they told him, "We can't do anything because we don't know what it is. Please mail it to the company Der Apfeldoktor in Germany." Okay, no problem, we will have a look. So it was already open. Yes, it was already open. Just want to hear that message here. Just wait a second. Okay. Let's open that and see what we got here. So the device just doesn't work anymore at all. What about current flow on USB amp meter? About 60 milliamps. 60 milliamps on USB amp meter. And now we just have a look for the right power cable for the iPhone 8. Where do I have it? Andy, do you got a cable for the iPhone 8? Why? Halt die Kassette. Sag mir, wo es ist. Oh, I take another one, that's no problem. We take this and just have a look. It's the same FPC. And we got a short. Yeah, we got a short. But where is my right cable for the iPhone 8? I have to search it. Here it is. Okay, I just want to see again. Using the right cable. Okay, we got a short and now we have to search for the short. No problem at all. Customer needs the important data and customer wants to have a fully working phone. Today I only had shit on my table. Every repair which I had on my table was just shit. Exploded CPUs, which you can't recover, which you can't fix, and things like that. But I said to the Wenger boys and to Andy and to our Russian friend Ilya that I have to do a video today before the weekend. Okay. Keidel 91 on Instagram. Write him messages over messages if you are MILF. If you are not a MILF, don't write him.
Write me.
No, Ilya is a MILF hunter too, so if you are over 50 years old, just write Ilya.
Ja, wie alt bist
He wants to date you.
24. Ja, 24. 24. Ja.
Yes.
Warum, was denkst du dann?
Ich bin ein paar 30.
Sehe ich so schlecht aus?
Nee, aber älter. 24.
Much older, yes. Much older. What would you say how old I am? Keidel, how old am I? Wie alt bin ich? Thank you.
Gib mir mal das Messer.
Rechne mal noch 10 Jahre drauf. Nee, 10 nicht. Ja.
Gib mal das Messer.
What about the Messer?
Über 2 Monate, vielleicht 30.
Oh, 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 oh.
Ich sehe noch aus wie 22.
You heard all the moves? He's getting 30 years old.
Im Januar werde ich 29 jetzt. Übernächstes Jahr 30.
Okay, let's see where the short is. Fast short detection by using the SIG. If you want to get this, you can get it at Obseco. They, yes, do some kids. At Obseco, Ricardo has it in stock, so just write Ricardo Valencia on Facebook. Okay. Kinder machen ist nicht schwer. Ja. Ja, Mann. Okay. So, let's see. Here we see something. Do we see something here? Where we have the short. Okay, we peel up the sticker at the bottom side. We will renew it later. I hoped for a bigger repair, not just a short. And you see that's really a beautiful sight. Really a beautiful sight. Just a shorted cap on VCC main. So not a big repair. Not a big repair. But I can't do anything against it. I have to repair what I have on my table. I got one at home. I got one at home. Do you see that? Do you see that? That is a shorted cap, an exploded cap in the on VCC main at this iPhone 8, and here we got Tigris. Okay, so. Our Andy motherfucker next beside to me, he has a pig at home. A wild pig. It's a wild pig in English, yes. Or he adopted it as it was a baby, and since then it lives in Andy's garden. So you see, they're just laughing and drinking beer and not working. So tomorrow I come to the company with a MG, with a machine gun, and I will. Okay, we got it out. That worked fast. And like I always tell you, if I can replace something, I do it. If it's not directly next beside to the big power IC or the CPU or things like that. Paul is really a big pig. My wild pig, the Paul has problems. Okay, you see that? We just we just got on. Show him a video, please, Andy. I just have to take the cap. Geiler Keiler. Okay, I need a cap for replacing. Sorry for the bad communication today, but I'm really tired, and it was a hard day. I started about three videos here, and they all didn't work because they were damages which you can't repair because of blown off CPUs and things like that, and I don't like that at all. So we replaced the cap now. Okay, done. So I think that's okay. We just replaced the cap on VDD main, which was blown up. Do we got a connection here between them? I just want to give some more flux. Come on back here. You see, sometimes so now it's done. Sorry, sometimes things need more time. Okay. So I think now it looks good, and we can just test if it worked. A lot of time, 30 minutes for a small repair like this. Just want to plug on the screen. And the home button. And the ambient light sensor. And now let's see if we can boot again. And boom! We are back to life again with our iPhone 8. After no boot, no power at all, because of a little shorted capacitor on VDD main. Just a fast repair. And nothing special, but just one video for the Friday, so you can enjoy the weekend with another video out of the company Apfeldoktor Germany. Like I said, the Wenger boys behind me want to see you if you are MILF. This is Andy, motherfucker. I'm just out. If you want to learn things like that, you can easily do that at the Border Level Repair School Germany. And if you are working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. I would be very happy to see you there, but please answer the questions, otherwise we can't accept you, okay? I'm out. We see us with the next video. Boom! Back to life again. Here's Ben.